Hi, I'm Sean Fletcher with the Northwest PBIS Network. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to build your trainer's website. The first thing that we're going to take a look at here is some helpful hints before getting started. You'll want to use the Chrome web browser. Google Docs is supported initially in Chrome and then by other web browsers. So as you're doing your development tasks, if you're in Chrome, then you'll have the highest likelihood of not having any glitches or bugs. If you don't have Chrome downloaded already, then you can just type in Chrome on any web browser and you'll find the download readily available. The next thing you're going to want to do is sign into your Google account before getting started. This is going to allow you to save all your edits and be able to easily access all your information after you're done making changes to the website. It's also a good idea to open up two separate web pages, one for this video so that you can watch the video, and another page where you're actually making edits and doing the changes to your website. When you have both pages open, you can pause the video and do some work on the page and then pick up where you left off. Once you're ready to get started, you can go to the website that's listed below. You can also find a link through the Northwest PBIS Network main web page, and so there's multiple ways to get to our web template. Let's get started. Once you've arrived at the trainer's website, you're going to go over to the sidebar and find the link that says Northwest PBIS Trainers and click on that link. The first thing that you're going to find is my website, which is also the web template, and we're going to click on that so that we can download a copy for ourselves. So you can see once you click on this page, over in the right hand corner there's a big blue button that says use this template, and that's what we're going to want to do. So I'm going to click on that right now. Now you're ready to create your template. So the first thing it's going to ask for is the name of the site that what you want to call your template site. So I'm just going to call this one Sean Fletcher PBIS. Then you have to enter your security code. Alright, your page is created. You can see you have your own unique URL up here at the top, and at this point going forward you can make whatever changes you want and it will impact your web page alone. So first thing we're going to do is do a quick orientation. You can see over here on the sidebar we have an introduction, which is exactly as it sounds. One of the things that you'll do once you create your page is enter your information into the introduction page. From there you have each of the tiers of support. There's a brief explanation for tier 1 and then it links down to the subsequent days. We're just going to take a look at day 1 here so you can get an idea of what the pages look like and what some of the features are that you have that you can use to make your page unique. So each one of the pages has a similar framework, and you can see here we have training materials and then we have some extras. The training materials, all of the links within this portion of the page actually link back to the network. So as new documents come out or there's improvements that are made to materials or there's exemplars that the network PD committee determines are better than some of the previous documents, they will actually be adding things into these files and pulling things away, and you'll constantly be updated with the most recent information. If you have something that you want to add yourself to the page, there's a really easy setup down here. This is called the filing cabinet. If you have a file that you want to add, you just click Add File. It takes you right to your desktop. You identify the document that you want to pull in, and it will pull it into the bottom. We can do one really quickly here. We'll do Activity, Open, and you can see we have the same page, but now we have the document that's pulled in. If you want to add some organization, You can add a folder. So right here on Move to Folder, you can just click, and we're going to make a new folder. And we'll just call this folder number 1. And you can see here that now your folder exists. If you want to move things from one folder to the next, you click up here on the Edit button. You can click on the little box right here and say Move to folder number 1. So you can add and pull documents in and out really quickly and easily directly from your desktop. If you want to remove these, you just click Remove and it takes them away. So the way that you're set up is that you're going to have access to the most recent up-to-date documents, but also you're going to be able to add specific documents that are that you find yourself using most often in your trainings. Always click Save when you're done with the page. At this point, what we're going to look at is making some simple edits to your introduction page. So we're going to go back to Introduction. And this little button here up in the corner, the pencil, is your access to editing. So you just click on the button, and what you'll do is you'll go in and you'll just edit the text so that it fits you. You have all of your different formatting tools up here at the top. You also have some ability to alter the layout and do some different format settings at the top. If you've used any other kind of word processing tool like Microsoft or Google Docs, this is very similar to those things. Alright, at this point we're going to insert a picture. So you can download a picture of yourself onto your computer, and as long as you can find it on your desktop, you'll be able to insert it in here. What you're going to do is click on the pencil if you haven't already done that to edit the page. Then you're going to select your cursor over in the corner, go to Insert, and we're going to insert an image, and we're going to choose a file. So this will show you your entire desktop. I have a picture here called Picture that we're going to insert, and click Open, and it'll download. Once it's downloaded, we select it and say OK, and it'll throw it in there for us. So if your picture for some reason is too big or too small, you can use these quick tap adjusters for the size. You've got small, medium, and large, and you can place your picture in there. And as always, click Save once you're done making edits to your page. The other thing that you're going to want to do is make sure to bookmark your page so you can access the URL easily. And the way you do that in Chrome is you just click on the star, and I'm going to keep that name, Introduction Sean Fletcher PBIS, and I'm going to put it in my bookmarks bar, and click Done. And then you'll see here, right here, it'll come up in your bookmark bar if you have space. If not, it'll tuck it away in here, and you just click on that and it'll bring you directly back to your web page. Once you've updated your page and are ready to roll, if you can go to your introduction page and select that page and then copy and paste your URL and send that to webmaster@pbisnetwork.org. Then we can post your site up on the network website. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps. Have a great day.